In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Roblox on the Nintendo Switch. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up your Switch, go to the main menu, then go to the bottom menu right over here, and then all you want to do is you want to go ahead and scroll until you see system settings. So go ahead and press on that. Then from here, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see the option that says internet. Then you want to go ahead and press on internet settings just like so. Then it is going to direct you to all of the open and available networks that are near you. So just give it a little bit and then there you go. And all you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and select on the network that you're registered to. So for me, it's this one. It is the one with like the green arrow right over here. So you'll notice that there's a green arrow. So we need to go ahead and just press on that. Now from here, we need to go ahead and press on change settings. And then all we need to do is we need to go ahead and scroll down. And here's where things get really important, guys. What you want to do is you want to make sure that your primary DNS is actually these numbers. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom in really quickly. So you want to make sure that these are the numbers that you actually put in. And so you want to delete your current primary DNS and you want to go ahead and put this instead, because this will actually allow you to connect to the internet and you're able to go ahead and access the Google Play Store. And then from there, you actually are able to go ahead and get Roblox. So yeah, from here, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and make sure that this is your primary DNS. And then once you made the changes, then all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on OK. And if you guys are wondering, no, you do not need to worry about the secondary DNS. You can leave it as is. You can leave it as this, guys, so just don't be confused about that. But anyways, guys, all you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and press on save once you're done with that, and then it will say settings have been saved. So let's just go ahead and press on OK. Then it is going to bring us back to this menu. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to go ahead and select on this option that does say connect to this network. So let's go ahead and press on that, and now it is going to go ahead and actually connect it, and you will notice that we will actually get an error. Do not worry, this is actually normal. We are supposed to get this error. So it is going to say registration is required to use this network, but do not worry, guys. All you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on the A button, because it will still allow us access to use like the internet, even though we don't have the proper registration. And yep, as you're able to tell, it is now going to go ahead and redirect us to a screen that looks like this. And now from here, all we need to do is we need to go ahead and press on continue to Google. And here you are, guys. We are officially on Google, and basically all you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and actually search for the Play Store. So I'm just going to go ahead and look up Play and then Store. So yeah, it is a little bit awkward typing on a Nintendo Switch, but just keep that in mind. All right, guys, so I just looked up the Google Play Store, and all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on the first link over here. And honestly, sometimes I just like using my fingers in order to control the Nintendo Switch whenever you are browsing, because in my opinion, it's just much easier compared to using all the buttons and like the cursors and stuff like that. But anyways, guys, from here, you guys now have access to the Google Play Store. And then from here, all you guys want to do is you want to go ahead and find Roblox, and Roblox is right over here. But you guys could go to the search bar and look for Roblox if you do want. So I'm just going to go ahead and press on Roblox right here. And bam, guys, there you go. We actually do have Roblox. So from here, you guys can go ahead and actually start playing it. There's also going to be an install button as well. So feel free to go ahead and just press on that. And of course, in order to do this, you will need to go ahead and actually sign in. Now, sometimes this will not work for every user on the Nintendo Switch. So I want you guys to test it out and see if it actually does work for you. And basically, if it does work for you, then you are able to go ahead and actually play on Roblox. However, some devices and like sometimes it just won't allow you to download Roblox. So please, guys, just keep that in mind. But yeah, go ahead and see if Roblox actually does work for you. Unfortunately, it didn't work for me, but I want you guys to go ahead and try on your device and let me know if it actually does work. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.